Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can claim the new items in Dress to Impress. So the new limited time items for the DTI second anniversaries are here and they are absolutely stunning, and here I'm going to show you exactly the code so you can claim those items. So once you enter DTI, you can just claim this code. The first code is, you can just type this. First one is 2 years, all in caps like this, and then you can just click on redeem and you'll get these items right here. Now let's claim the second items. You can just delete the years and write together, so it will be together. Let's click on redeem, and this is the second items, so you'll get this cute dress right here. Now let's find the items in the dressing room. I'm going to also try it on. So go to the code item tabs and you can just scroll down. Let's see the first one in here. Okay, so for the first one, you get like this miniature figure like this in a fierce pose, pose 28, or no pose like this. Now let's try the second items in here, this dress. Okay, so this is the new dress. It's look kind of cute. So you can, like, it's come with like gradient color. If you want to change the color, you can just choose the color that you prefer. So this is the new items in DTI. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.